This question belongs to algorithm subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2020. So the question states, consider a graph G equals to V, E, where V is the set of vertices from 1 to 100. So we basically have 100 vertices, V1 up to V100. And edge Vi Vj is which means the edge is between a vertex Vi and Vj for 1 is less than equal to I and I is less than j and j is less than equal to 100, which means V1 is connected to V2 up till V100. Similarly, V2 is connected to V3 up till V100. Same way, V3 is connected to V4 up till V100. Because we need to maintain I is less than j. Then V99 will be connected to V100 and V100 won't be connected to anything. Okay, and the weight of the edge Vi Vj is cardinality of I minus j. So what is V1 V2 weight? It's 1. What is V1 V3 weight? It's 1 minus 3. Modulus it's 2 and so on. V1 V100 is 99. Similarly, V2 V3 is 1, V2 V4 is 2 and V2 V100 is 98. It goes on like this. V3 V4 is 1, V3 V100 is 97, V9 V100 is 1. The weight of minimum spanning tree of G is. So what is a spanning tree? So if this is our graph, then spanning tree will have all the vertices V1, V2 up till V100 and number of edges will be number of vertices minus 1. So 100 minus 1, we will have 99 edges and 100 vertices. Okay, so vertices are 100 and edges are 99. Now we need to choose which edges. So there are two algos for this. First one is Kruskal algo for minimum spanning tree and second one is Prim's algo. So Kruskal algo is basically done. How we do it? We take the min edge each time. Make sure that there is no cycle. Prim's works also similarly, but it considers a vertex and then choose the minimum among its adjacent edges. Prim's also works similar to Kruskal, like the algo is almost similar, but the working is different. So let us assume we are going with the Kruskal algo. So we take min edge. So what you can easily see that V1 to V2 is 1, V2 to V3 is 1, V3 to V4 is 1. So what we can do, we can consider the edge V1 to V2, V2 to V3, V3 will be connected to V4, V4 will be connected to V5, V99 will be connected to V100. So we have all the 100 vertices and we have 99 edges and each edge weight is 1 because V1 to V2 absolute difference is 1, V2 V3 difference is 1, V3 V4 difference is 1. Similarly, all edges will be of weight 1. So what is the weight of the MST? It is equal to number of edges. And what are the number of edges? Number of edges are 99. So correct answer is the weight of minimum spanning tree of this graph is 99.